Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to manage storage and free up space in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here. So having opened up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on account right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on general. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and navigate to manage cache. Under the manage storage, click on manage cache. It take you right here. So all the storage you have in your Alipay app is going to load up, just like what you see right here. Now, if you want to get rid of Alipay cache or notification or chat data, what you need to do is to simply click on manage right here. It's going to take you right here. So at this point here, you can simply select the information that you want to simply delete. So like for instance, I want to select this video right here and I want to select other. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on clear. Then do you want to confirm clearing? Select car key, simply click on confirm. And with that, everything clear up. It's as simple as that, and you save more space in your Alipay storage. So basically, this is how to manage storage and free up space in Alipay account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.